Hi guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to talk about the Panasonic Lumix G7 and how this camera has served me since I bought it in 2016. I know it's a few years old now, but if you go into the searches, there's still a lot of people interested in this camera, which is quite amazing actually. And now this, from the get-go, straight off the bat, I just want to let you know this is not a review per se. Right? I'm not really qualified enough to give in-depth reviews on cameras, but what I can give is my opinion on how this particular camera served me over the years. I'm in the process of learning cameras and videography and photography. I started a blog called Aperture to Zoom, and later on in life, as I progress and I become more skilled, then I suppose I would earn the right to give reviews. But for the time being, these are just my opinion and my findings on how the camera served me. So like I said, in 2016 I bought this camera for the sole purpose I was traveling to South Africa on a holiday. It was going to be a big holiday. We hadn't been home for 14 years. I was going to be traveling Cape Town extensively. From that's where I'm from. We also did the garden route to Durban. Then we went up to Kruger National Park, and we also did Sun City. It was a big trip, ended up in Dubai and then finally coming back to Auckland, New Zealand. So I needed a camera that was small, that could do a very decent job of both video and photography, right? Because at that stage, 2016, I'd been sort of making some regular travel videos up until then, and I just wanted to up the quality a notch, because up until then I've just had point and shoots and cell phone cameras and so forth. So it was sort of time for me to invest in a camera, but I didn't want to spend a huge amount too. And I think the Lumix, from a value proposition perspective, certainly ticked all my boxes. It shoots in 4K. It's got an amazing swivel screen. You can add all the bells and whistles on external mic, external monitor. It takes amazing video. You know, it's like everything in life, like all cameras, you've got to get to study it, get to know it, and then it will serve you very, very well. As you can see in some of the footage, which I'll put in here as B-roll, I've been very, very happy with the camera, you know, and it still serves me well today. In my day job, I visit and coach engineering apprentices, and on occasion I have to make little videos about them endorsing the apprenticeship, and I shoot that all on the Lumix G7. This video that I'm doing now is being shot on the Lumix G7. So if you're after a camera that is sort of budget, right, low budget but high value, right, and you want to start out and you want to learn and without spending copious amounts of money, trust me, man, for under $500 you can pick up this Lumix G7 and away you go. You will be amazed at what this camera has to offer, you know, and you can certainly cut your teeth on that, and then as you progress, go on to something more expensive and all that. Don't buy into the whole gas theory, gear acquisition syndrome. So anyway, that's just my 2 cents worth on the Panasonic Lumix G7. It served me very, very well. I'm going to be doing a series of videos on this camera because I really feel I need to get to know it extremely well, get to know cameras a lot better, get to know videography, get to know editing a bit more. So I'm quite excited at this channel that I've started, and I think this is just the second video that I'm uploading. Probably do a few more on the Lumix G7 if I was to be fair, really putting it through its paces. So if you're interested, hit the subscribe button, drop some comments in there if there's any particular thing around the Lumix G7 you want me to look at, and then we can certainly take it from there. Thank you very, very much for watching, and like I said, comment, hit the subscribe button and the notification, because I'm going to be trying to upload these videos on a weekly basis, just to keep the momentum going. So thank you very, very much. Over and out. Cheerio. Bye bye.